In Session 12, we will make first another little bit a sidestep. We will talk about one of the favorite hobbies of Germans, about cycling, and then we come back in the next unit to our topic of living again. Cycling is pretty popular in Germany. So ride a bicycle first, vocabulary tasks, practicing adjectives, because we have quite a few again, infinitive conjunction zu in the grammar part, and in the conversation, I would like that bicycle. So we have a couple of things there, which we don't have to apply only about bicycles, but also about general shopping or talking generally about prices. Then we come to some things that are also important for our adjectives that are connected also with pricing and with shopping. Then we explain the grammar function of zu, the infinitive conjunction zu, and have a conversation then finally about buying a bicycle, so we can apply our knowledge quite in a couple of ways. As you have seen, our courses are built on conversation quite a lot, so that you become really fluent in German.